Hey guys, welcome back to my channel AG Motion Designs, and in today's video we are going to create this motivational code design animation in Adobe After Effects without using any plugin. So before we start our video, I would like to tell you this tutorial is going to be for beginners. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we are in After Effects like as always. Let's editor and adjust this graph just like that. Now we will animate this randomly. Adjust these layers just like that, and then W. So our animation will look like this. Yes, this looks good. Now what we'll do is we will create a rectangle. Now I'll delete the stroke, and instead of stroke I'll add one white color. Press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point at the center, just like that. Zoom in little bit. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate it and move this over here. Now let's select text tool and type your. I'll decrease the size. For this one I don't require any stroke, and for the color I'll choose white color. Move this over here. Press Ctrl Alt Home. Let's increase the size a little bit. Yep. Now we will animate this three. What we will do is go to this Windows panel, anchor point mover, and I'll shift this anchor point over here. Select this one and I'll shift the anchor point over here. Now select these two layers, open bracket, press S for scaling option, unlink these two options. For this one I'll choose 0 and hit keyframe. For this one I'll choose 0 over here, 0, and hit keyframe. Go a few step forwards, type 100. Select this keyframes, hit F9 to easily those keyframes. Go to this graph editor, select these handles and adjust this graph editor by holding shift key, just like that. Now what we will do is move this your text over here, and I'll go to this anime effect and presets panel, animation presets, text, 3D text, and I'll add 3D flip in rotation X. If we hit U, we can see our keyframes. Now because they are animated in 3D, it will lag. So instead of full resolution, I'll choose quarter so we can see our animation. Now this distance between these two keyframes is much more longer. So what I'll do is I'll shift this keyframe over here, select these two keyframes and hit F9 to easily ease those keyframes. So our animation will look like this. Now if we hit fit, yes. Now I'll add another text. Press Ctrl Alt Home. Align this to the center. You can use this align tab. What I'll do is I'll draw one line over here, just like that. and I'll choose stroke and 10 pixels. I'll delete this fill and I'll press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center. Move this over here by opening bracket. Again hit Ctrl D to duplicate it. Hit P for positioning and move it downward. Now select this two layers, hit S, unlink these options, type 0 at first keyframes for both of them, go few steps forwards and type 100, select these two keyframes, hit F9, go to the graph editor, select these two keyframes and by holding shift Now what we will do is by hitting Ctrl A, press Ctrl Shift C, I'll call it as animation, let's say, hit OK, E for positioning, move it over here, press Ctrl D to duplicate it, hit S, unlink these options, instead of 100 I'll add -100, press P for position properties and move this downward, hit T and instead of 100 I'll add 10, let's say. Now I'll add one effect on this second layer. The name of that effect is CC Light Sweep. Adjust this center first like this. Just create a keyframe on that center, hit U so we can see that keyframe. Go few at the 4 second and adjust that light switch just like that. This looks cool. So there is another thing we need to do is let's create one new null object. Select these two layers, parent this with the null, press S for scaling option, hit S, and at the 5 second instead of 100 I will make it 95. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. If you like this tutorial then please consider to subscribe my channel. Until then, stay tuned.